So friends, let's see this delicious and simple Goan yellow moong dal. So here I've taken exactly 1 cup of yellow moong dal, washed it thrice under water, and we're going to soak it in 3 cups of water for at least 1 to 2 hours minimum. You can soak it for a longer period too. Now I'm going to chop 1 medium-sized tomato, 1 medium-sized onion. Now, whenever I always try to remove the middle white part, and after peeling the onion, you should wash it once before chopping it. So I just wash the onion and I'm just going to chop it up like this. So now this is about 2 tablespoons of tamarind. I'm going to soak it in 1/4 cup of hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm going to squeeze out all of the pulp or the juice of the tamarind. We're not going to use, the actual tamarind part. It's just going to be the juice of the tamarind. Now this is our onion which we chopped. This is our tomato. Now let's look at the other ingredients we need. This is about 1 tablespoon of finely chopped coriander leaves. This is 1 light green chili that I've slit and cut into 4. This is the light green chilies. This is 1/2 inch of cinnamon, 4 cloves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, a few curry leaves. Now here I have 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of hing, 3/4 teaspoon of sugar, and some salt to taste. So now I'm going to heat about 1 tablespoon of oil in my pressure pan. We also need about 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. So once the oil is nice and hot, you're going to add the mustard seeds, let them splutter, drain all the water from the soaked moong. Now we're going to add the cloves and the cinnamon, the green chilies, the curry leaves, the cumin seeds, that is the jeera, and you're going to saute all of this really well till the chilies get nicely fried. Then we're going to add the onion, saute the onion well till it turns a little translucent. Add the haldi powder, the chili powder, and the asafoetida or the hing. Mix everything well. Add the tomato and about half of the coriander. I like to fry the coriander in this bagar because it really enhances the flavor of this dal. Now we're going to cook all of the ingredients till the tomatoes become nice and mushy and soft. Just press down on the tomatoes, mash them up well. Now we're going to add the moong and fry the moong for at least a whole minute in this bagar. It's very important to fry the moong. That way the moong will get cooked to perfection because we have already soaked it. And now when you fry it in this oil, it really cooks well. Now we're going to add 1 cup of water. Mix everything nicely together. Now we're going to flavor it with some salt to taste and the sugar. Even the sugar, you can adjust it according to how you like it. The sugar basically balances the taste of the dal. Now we're also going to add 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala. This is homemade garam masala. I'll leave a link to how I prepare it. It's very easy. And now just give everything a gentle mix. And now you're going to add the tamarind water. Again, mix everything very well. And now you're just going to close your pressure pan and you're going to cook this for 1 whistle on high. Once the whistle comes on high, turn the flame to very low and let the pressure cooker let it cook for another 10 minutes. And then after that, put the gas top off and let the pressure cooker come to room temperature. Don't be in a hurry to open the pressure pan. And now when you open it, our dal is already ready. Now what I like to do is I just like to mix everything well together. And then I like to mash down the tomatoes because now the tomatoes are cooked really, really well. So it's very easy to mash it down. So I like to just, with my back of the spoon, just mash the tomatoes. So this dal has a very different consistency. It's not like, if you have seen my previous recipes of Maharashtrian amti or dal fry, there the dal is first of all tur dal. So it cooks to a different level and it becomes very smooth. Whereas moong dal, you can actually see the dal, it's a little different in consistency. So just press down on the tomatoes, and now all you have to do is just garnish it with some coriander, and your lovely Goan Moong Dal is all ready. Enjoy this with some lovely hot rice.
More videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon, also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.